Welcome, everyone. Let me ask you something. Have you ever been in a conversation where you knew what you wanted to say, but the right words just didn't come out? Maybe you hesitated, translated in your head, or worried you'd make a mistake. If that sounds familiar, trust me, you are definitely not alone. A lot of English learners study for years. They memorize grammar rules, long vocabulary lists, and tricky sentence structures. But when it's time to speak, they freeze. And that's normal. Speaking fluently isn't about knowing 1,000 complicated words. Real fluency comes from using simple, useful phrases with confidence. Think about how native English speakers talk. They don't use big, fancy vocabulary in everyday life. They rely on the same expressions, short, natural phrases, again and again. These familiar chunks of language keep conversations smooth and help you sound more natural instantly. And think about how children learn their first language. They don't start with textbooks, they listen, they copy, and they use the same expressions in real situations. Your English learning journey can work the same way. Today, I'm going to share 10 phrases I personally use every single day. But I'm not just going to give you a list. I'm going to show you how to use each phrase naturally, when to use it, real examples, quick practice ideas, and ways to make these expressions part of your everyday speaking. Ready? Let's jump in. Number 1. How's everything? This is a friendly, relaxed way to ask someone how they are. It feels much more natural than the textbook, "How are you?" For example, "Hey Sarah, how's everything?" "Pretty good. Just finishing up work. You?" Learners often stick to "How are you?" but natives use expressions like "How's everything?" all the time. It immediately sounds more conversational. What I want you to practice: next time you greet someone, a coworker, a classmate, or even a friend online, start with "How's everything?" Try answering in different ways too. "Great, thanks." Or, "Okay, just a busy day." Number 2. I'll check and let you know. Use this when you don't have an answer yet, but you will follow up. It's polite, professional, and very common in real life. For example, your friend asks, "Can you meet on Friday?" You answer, "I'm not sure yet. I'll check and let you know." It shows responsibility and keeps the conversation open. Practice. Use this phrase in your next message or email when you need a moment to confirm something. Number 3. I'm just joking. This phrase is perfect when you want to tell someone you were saying something playfully. For example, if someone asks, "Did you finish all that ice cream?" You could reply, "Yep, every last bit." Then quickly add, "I'm just joking." Humor helps you connect with people in English. Practice. Tell a short, silly story and finish with, "I'm just joking." It's a good way to get comfortable with light humor in English. Number 4. Whatever works for you. Use this when you want the other person to choose. It's polite and flexible. For example, "What time should we meet?" You, "Whatever works for you, I'm easy." Practice. Use this phrase in simple decision-making moments. Dinner plans, meeting times, or choosing activities. Number 5. I get what you're saying. This phrase shows you understand someone's idea or point of view. For example, "I prefer working from home." Yeah, I get what you're saying. It's much more comfortable. This is a great phrase for deeper conversations. Practice. When someone shares an opinion, respond with, "I get what you're saying," and then add your own thoughts. Number 6. Could you say that again? Simple, polite, and incredibly useful. Use this anytime you didn't hear or understand something clearly. Example: your appointment is at 3:45. Sorry, could you say that again? Practice. When watching videos in English, rewind a part you didn't catch and say aloud, could you say that again? It trains your listening muscles. Number 7. I'm heading there now. This phrase means you're on your way. For example, where are you? You. I'm heading there now. See you soon. It's a casual, friendly way to give someone an update. How to practice. Use it in real-life texts. Instead of I'm coming, say I'm heading there now. Number 8. Sounds good to me. Use this when you agree with a suggestion. It's enthusiastic and positive. For example, let's meet at 6. Sounds good to me. It keeps conversations friendly and smooth. Practice. Say this instead of just saying okay or yes. Number 9. Don't worry about it. Use this when something isn't a big deal and you want to relax the situation. For example, sorry, I forgot to send the file. Don't worry about it, send it when you can. It makes you sound calm and easygoing. Practice. Think of a moment today when you can use this phrase to reassure someone. Number 10. Keep me posted. This phrase means update me later. It's perfect for plans, schedules, or situations that may change. For example, I'm still checking my schedule. No problem. Keep me posted. Practice. Send a quick message to a friend. Keep me posted about your plans. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes. Start using these expressions today. Speaking natural English doesn't require perfect grammar. It requires courage, repetition, and using phrases that real people actually say. These 10 expressions will help you sound more fluent, connect with others, and speak more confidently. So here's a small challenge for you. Choose 3 of these phrases and use them today. Say them out loud. Use them in a text. Practice them in a voice note. Anything. The more you use them, the faster they will become a natural part of your everyday English. Tell me in the comments, which phrase did you like the most? And which one will you use today? I'd love to hear from you. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next lesson.